That's Grover. We're on the back of Grover. Almost 4 o'clock on Wednesday. We rolled in around 9:15. That's setup day. Done. Gonna get out early this day because we won't be able to for the next 3. Show starts at 9 tomorrow. Roll in maybe a little after 8. Do some final tweaking, dusting, tuning. Policy change. We used to stack crates back behind a wall, but this year we have to store this stuff on our own or pay a fee. So we're pulling it all to the trailer. The front likes to fishtail. We're losing it.
I'll tell you what, you give these guys a chance and they'll hook everything. Except for the number.
This is our home for the next 4 nights. 2 big beds, 1 for each bill. I sleep on that life raft. It's not bad. We rolled in a little after 8 to pull tuning on the drums, alter some prices, change the angles on things, get things spruced up. Doors just opened. We're a little after 9. Probably the quietest it's going to be until 5 o'clock today. So we'll see what happens. calm before the storm on day 3. Little tune-up, little booth rearrangement, little sugar bomb.
Attention, PASIC 2024 Expo Hall. Sorry to say, we are now closed. Thank you so much for coming to PASIC 2024. We'll see you for PASIC 50 next year.
Booth is struck, everything's packed. It gets a little too chaotic with the forklifts and the carpet being ripped and everyone moving around to film it. So road case, snare crate, hardware, everything else stacked up here like the Grinch stole Christmas. Cargo net to keep it from falling over everywhere. That's happened before. Pulley bar. I think the 3 of us can get it done. We made it. One shot. Nothing fell. See? Senior is from Pennsylvania. He's got his coal miner hat on.
Yeah.
Fill the truck, baby. Jesus. It's the march of the load crew. Woo! What do you have to say for yourself?
Like a glove?
You're supposed to pull on the strap and say, that ain't going anywhere.
Yeah. All right, that ain't going